The cabin air filter in your 2011-2018 Subaru WRX cleans incoming air for your car's AC system, removing dust, pollen, and pollutants. Replacing it regularly keeps your air fresh, prevents HVAC problems, and ensures optimal performance. This video will guide you through the simple DIY process. A dirty cabin air filter reduces airflow, making your AC work harder and less efficiently. This can reduce fuel economy by up to 10%. It can also cause musty odors and trigger allergies due to mold and trapped pollutants. Regular replacement prevents these issues. In the 2011-2018 Subaru WRX, the cabin air filter is typically located behind the glove box on the passenger side. It's housed in a plastic box, easily accessible once the glove box is removed. Note that STI models might have slightly reinforced housings. For replacing the cabin air filter in your 2011 to 2018 Subaru WRX, you'll need a few basic tools. The primary tool is a Phillips or flathead screwdriver to remove the screws holding the glove box in place. A trim removal tool is optional but recommended to gently pry off dashboard panels without causing scratches. This helps protect your vehicle's interior. Finally, have the correct replacement cabin air filter ready. The OEM part number for most 2011-2018 WRX models is 7280FE040, but always check your vehicle's manual to confirm. First, park your WRX and turn off the ignition. This ensures safety during the replacement process. Next, open the passenger side glove box to access the area behind it. Then, detach the glove box by either unclipping it or removing the screws holding it in place. This usually involves 2 to 4 screws. Finally, set the glove box aside to expose the filter housing. Locate the rectangular plastic filter housing behind where the glove box was. Release the clips or remove any screws holding the cover in place. Carefully pull out the old, dirty filter. Note the direction of the airflow arrows printed on the filter. This is important. Insert the new cabin air filter into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrows point in the correct direction, usually from bottom to top. Replace the cover and secure it with the clips or screws. Reattach the glove box, securing it with the screws or clips you removed earlier. After installation, run your AC to check for proper airflow and any unusual noises. Subaru recommends changing the filter every 15,000 miles or 12 months, but check it more often if you drive in dusty or polluted areas. Consider upgrading to a HEPA or carbon-infused filter for better air quality.